Let's play Witch's Dance from Suzuki Book 2, number 9. Good place to start as always. Find your G, fourth finger G, open G, fourth finger G. And the key to this is stopping the bow in between these hooked bowings is what they call it. We'll play it nice and slow like that, and then we'll talk about it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Rest. Lift. Stay there. Stay there. Shift. Lift. Minor extension. Off. Back to the beginning. Here we go. All right, there's a few things in this to work on. Back up to the beginning of the video if you just want to practice along with me, but we can also work out some sections here. The first thing is the hooked bowing, of course, so that's very important. It's the first thing that we hear. So make sure we get that. Stop the bow, keep going down bow, and then up bow, keep going up bow. The second thing to talk about is this shift to a G sharp. Aim for a feeling and aim for the second finger on that G. We just checked it with the beginning before we started playing with our fourth finger. But try to get there with our second finger first. So a good practice would be to add that second finger in, even if it's just in our brain. And that fourth finger A. All right, now that's basically the first few lines. We have this triplet section. It's best to keep your third finger touching the D string that whole time. 3, keep it there. Try not to. That kind of thing. We have the same thing popping up in measure 15, sorry. Keep this third finger down. Okay, all that's important. Then there's measure 17, and one of the biggest focuses of this piece is second position. We stay in second position for a while, and we play these things called arpeggios. Make sure your second finger is playing a D, nice and accurately. Now that is a D major chord. You could play a D drone underneath this whole thing. Go on to the next one. This one is a G drone. Play it again. And it's really nice if you can do this without using your thumb and keep your hand kind of open to the side. You can also leave your second finger touching the D string. I just did that. It felt very natural. next one, it has a shift in it. Play that over and over until you really hear these pitches like mine. Keep going. I'm going to play it an octave down so you can hear yours. You're still playing up high, not like me. I'll come back to you. And let's go on. All right, now second position was hard, but this is the biggest the hand ever has to be in first position extended. I have some other videos on this. Open D, fourth finger D. Center the hand around 2, 3, and 4. Make it feel like this and not like that. 2, 3, and 4, this fourth finger's out to the side. Practice that again. And instead of second finger, I'll change this. I'd rather see a shift to a first finger F here in second position. Then your fourth finger's ready for this E flat. And shift back again. So we'll try that again. E flat, F. First finger. Again. F. First finger. One more time. Fourth finger. F natural, first finger. 4. Shift back. And now our extended hand time is mostly done. We have one little moment, just like the beginning. Nothing different there. Here we go there. This is different. See if you can get that. 1. Extended forward with the left hand, feeling like this. The second finger so far from the first finger. No thumb, just have it sitting behind the cello so your hand can be as big as it needs to be. Not like this. Pull the cello towards you. And I find if you get all that, the rest of it's easy. So let's play those 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 notes. Good. Well, I hope that this helps you. So thanks for watching.